What's up, y'all? Lil One here. Today I'm at the Harley Davidson, Vegas. You know what I'm saying? I don't know what this is, a museum or what, but about to see what they got up in here. Very cool. I like motorcycles, I like bikes. Got some nice bikes up there. It's hard. Styles of bikes. This mug tough right here. Everybody, what is he doing in here? Don't be racist. Ooh, this is beautiful. This is nice. My grandpa has a motorcycle. He had one since I was little. So I remember riding on this one of these. You know what I'm saying? Really one like that. Big boy. I really wanted a motorcycle actually. Like a sports bike. Maybe one day I'll get one. But I wouldn't be really riding into the street and all that. I would be riding around the neighborhood to the store. Something like simple. This tough. It's tough. Real tough. Like RoboCop. 30 ball for this. These models. That's
How you doing, bro?
Yeah, how about you? Yeah, these tough. This mug is mean. Chrome. Ooh. Yeah. It's beautiful. This is beautiful too. Ugh. So, yeah, this is clean. Classic. Big boy chopper. 24 ball. 99. Ooh. Sheesh. It's clean. This mother's clean. Get out of these. So, this mother's looking quick. Sheesh. It's a big boy. It's heavy. It's heavy. It's heavy. That bar is nice too, that clean. This is mean. This my man. It's clean. I can't even stop looking at that motherfucker. Beautiful. It's classic. Ooh. It's clean. These face is cool too. I like that. This car. Look at this mod. Ooh. Sheesh. That's beautiful. This feels great. Like, ouch. Sheesh. This mod is sexy.
It's better when you're on top, brother.
Man. Mod too heavy. This,
Huh?
I said, this is heavy.
A couple hundred pounds. 502.
Ooh. Yeah. I gotta lean it on my leg, like,
That'd be alright. They keep themselves up.
Oh, really?
Honestly, it does. There's this physicist. She does like YouTube videos.
Mhm.
So she's a professor at a college somewhere. She has this bicycle wheel on a string, right?
Mhm.
And then she starts spinning it,
Mhm.
and it goes from flat and it just picks itself up.
That's crazy.
And it's called it's a gyroscope.
Gyroscope, okay.
So as the momentum of the wheels, as the momentum picks up on the wheel, as long as it keeps up, the wheel wants to stand up straight.
Right.
It's the same thing with bikes. But once you give it gas, as long as you're giving power to the back wheel, bike wants to stay up.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
It is crazy.
Yeah. So the biggest thing is getting over like the fear.
Yeah.
Because your body will start doing things like you're scared of falling down.
Yeah.
So you look down, and then your like body weight
Oh,
goes up.
oh.
So you have to start teaching yourself to like trust the bike and your skills, and like keep your head up.
Mhm.
So when you turn, you
Mm-hmm. Turn with your whole, like, yeah.
Because if you do this, you're gonna,
Yeah.
you know,
Okay. Okay.
yeah. And if you're interested in stuff like that, are you from around here?
Yeah.
We have every dealership has MSF courses.
The riding courses? Yeah, I
Riding
seen that right
course.
there. I'm like, okay,
Mhm.
that's
Yeah,
cool.
And you learn how to ride it. We're DMV certified, so it skips the test
Oh,
at the DMV.
that's cool.
Literally just turn in your paperwork and
Get-
you leave with your license that day.
Okay.
Yep.
Yeah, because I really want one for real.
Right on.
I'm saying.
If you want to get your information, send you a quick email with the Riding Academy
Yeah.
link. Yeah?
Yeah, for sure.
What's your first name?
For now.